Thank you, Mumtaz. Oxford International Training Services. I welcome you all from the platform of Oxford International Training Services. Our aim is to strive for the educated Pakistan. In order to achieve this, we are already providing services in communication and leadership courses in England, London, teachers development courses for a week time, and young leadership courses in Malaysia. Striving to provide excellent education opportunities to students in Pakistan, providing training for continued professional development to established professionals of Pakistan. Children taking GCSE struggles with a proper guide book. We at Oxford International realize this, the importance of this, and we approach enthusiastic educationalist, novel writer, and poet who does not only have great knowledge of Urdu, but she is striking hard to promote an Urdu language in new generation of Pakistan. We are thankful to Ma'am Nusrat Sarfaraz that she agreed to research and develop a guideline book for GCSE students. When we go through the book comprehensively, it's covered the syllabus for 0539 Urdu as a second language for IGCSE. The book comprises of two parts. The book series. The book series is totally exam oriented, equipped with all the tools to enhance Urdu language skills and pass this, and the students can pass the exam in flying colors. Book one consists of the paper one which has exercises and elaborate the practical skills. Exercise include email, essay, paragraph, creative writing, multiple choice questions. Whereas the book two consists of listening exercises as per Cambridge specification and true reflection of the real exam-based scenarios for the listening section. Regarding the book, there are different people have given their opinions about the book. I just read out the first one. Muhtarma Saadi Rashid Sahiba, which is the daughter of Hakim Saeed. She's the chancellor of Hamdard University. She writes in her contribution for the book is that Nusrat Sarfaraz is one of the best teacher, and she is totally dedicated towards the Urdu. And this book 0539 is one of the things which will be a blessing for the students in the coming future. Then we have different other opinions which I will not take too much of time on this. And regarding the book, I can say that Mumtaz Urdu will be the tool in the arsenal of the student appearing in the GCSE, not only in Pakistan but in Middle East. And Mumtaz Urdu is not only helpful in Pakistan only, but in Middle East, and also will be helpful in Urdu teaching for the students which are the children of the overseas Pakistanis, like in England, America, UK, Europe, and Australia, and those people who wants to learn Urdu. Thank you, Ma'am Nusrat, for all your efforts, hard work, and dedication, and sharing your knowledge and expertise with us, and to giving back to the community. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.